Let me show you guys what we've picked up so far. Our antique shopping lately, the finds that we got. Not too many things, only just a few personal special pieces that we found. I'm gonna show you guys how we styled it and like how, like the ideas I have for it. Everything is not in its like forever home. So just keep that in mind. And if you guys have any ideas on how I should style certain pieces, suggestions are definitely welcomed. Because you know, mixing the old and the new is still fairly new for us. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay, so in our white room over here, we have this gorgeous coconut palm leaf basket that we got, that we found at the antique store, you guys. And this basket is so gorgeous. It's so big and it's real. It also has wicker inside to like make it sturdy, I suppose. But just look at the detail and the character on this basket, you guys. We were so pleased to find this special piece. And I feel like it'll be in our house forever. Like we will keep this item wherever we go. And I can't be more happy with it. And we're thinking about making the tree a little bit higher inside of the basket, but what do you guys think? Do you guys think it's at a good height or should we go higher? Let us know. So this little bowl was $10. I just really like it for a catch-all. I think it's the perfect size. Now I do want to layer my bowls with a tray, not all bowls, but just this one in particular. I do know I want to layer it with like a European style, like Italian tray underneath to make it pop and just to add some height to it. So that is what I plan on doing with this and having it be a catch-all, like for keys and stuff like that. We would probably never leave our keys here, to be honest, because we've been in this house for a while and I leave my keys in my car in the garage and David leaves his keys, I don't know wherever he leaves them. So yeah, but that would be nice to have as a key catch-all. Okay guys, so the piece I'm about to show you guys is, I'm giving David full credit for it because he found it. You're welcome. So it's this jug right here, you guys. This was also from our first antique store that we went to the other day. This one was such a great find and we absolutely love it. It's so unique. Another thing that I really love on this table is not only that everything is super green, but this right here. So this was also found at the first antique shop that we went to go look at. And it is a vintage Nutcracker. Look how beautiful that is. And I love this so much. It just sits right here just for a little pop and to kind of like catch the eye. And it matches our Turkish grinders really well. I found these off of Amazon. Shout out to Brandy Jackson. Girl, if you're watching this video, I will literally pee my pants. Like, I'm obsessed with your decor. But anyways, so she found these and posted them. And then, of course, I had to buy them. And I was just watching one of her videos. She had said that they're sold out everywhere. So I'm so glad I did buy them when I did. And I've had these for a while now. I want to say a few months. So yeah, guys, if you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description if I can find it. So this right here will be where, you know, where you are looking up a recipe and it says just add a pinch of salt. This will be our little bowl to add a pinch of salt in. And Like, if you guys can see, I had so many of these in my cart on Amazon because I just could not make up my mind. I didn't want the white and black marble. You know, everybody has that in their home. And then I didn't want a wood one because we have a lot of wood in our house. So this is the perfect like combination because I get that heaviness from the marble, but I also get a neutral color like the wood, but it's not wood. So I'm super happy that we found this. And guys, it's so heavy. So I do need to wash it, of course. We just got back from the antique store, but absolutely love it. And I just like love like the little green in it. Just so another good item that we actually got, it was free. That makes me so happy, as you guys can tell. So it's this salt and pepper shaker. And I love, like at first I was like, oh, the white and blue, what are we really gonna do with it? But we needed a pop of color into our house, and I'm like, you know what, let's go with blue. And blue is definitely a hit. It looks so good in here. So I want to say, I looked them up. They were sold in, I think, West Elm or some store like that way back in the day. And I just like, I like it. I like them a lot. I don't really have a spot for them yet, so they're just sitting on the countertop right over there. But nonetheless, these are super cool. You can totally see the antique vibe, like the old school vintage vibe in these. And I really like them, so they'll just be sitting on the counter for decor. And the little pop of blue for like to tie in the rest of the blue in the house, you know what I mean. Another good item. So, babe, did you find these?
I did.
You did find them. So he found this, you guys, and this is so cool. It's so big, and I just absolutely love this. It was sold as a set, so that's awesome. And look at the spoons, you guys. Like, when I saw these massive spoons, I damn near lost my mind. I love cooking with these type of spoons.
Yeah.
Definitely not cooking with these. So these spoons came in a set with the jug that we found, and yeah, I'm taking credit. I said me.
It's all you, baby. You get all the credit.
Thank you, babe. So look how unique and different these are, you guys. Like, the ones that we have, we found from World Market. I could appreciate the concept. These been thrown in the dishwasher when they should not have been in the dishwasher at all. Not pointing any fingers. But it lost their color. But anyways, just ignore the color of these guys. I need new ones. But so I can appreciate the fact that they tried to kind of get creative with their you know, in the chain stores, but there's nothing like the old school. They're like, nobody can do it better. I don't care what anyone says. Like, these are amazing, and I just want to like display them somewhere in my kitchen. I just don't know where. So I'm thinking about just leaving them, like, you know, on the countertop as display in like a tasteful way, in like a nice way. I just don't know exactly where on my countertop, but it's going somewhere on my countertop. Like, how can I hide this? No way.
What was the price on the set?
The set was $35.
Was it?
Yeah. Was it?
I thought it was less than that.
Are you sure? I don't know, guys, but I want to say with the spoons.
No, baby, it was cheap.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it was like $15 or something.
Really?
Yeah. Because I couldn't believe it was part of the set. I was like, wait, that's with the spoons? Yeah.
You're probably right. That does sound about right. Nothing crazy about the rolling pin, but I just love how like antique it looks, like very dated. And this rolling pin will literally knock somebody out, you guys. It's so heavy. It's nothing like, again, the ones that they sell on Target. I got one from the Joanna's Gaines collection, and just the material on it, I want to show you guys what it looks like. Y'all know what the Target stuff looks like. It's not as sturdy. It has like these like little loose ends on it, and this is just solid wood. I would never probably use this, but for the fact that it is, you know, just one of those old school pieces that we love, you know, I just love stuff like this. So it'll just also be on display. Not sure exactly where, but it'll probably be in display with the other antique thing that we found. I will show you guys the book that kind of like, I feel like I showed you guys earlier in another clip, but if I didn't. The book that we got inspired by is Down to Earth by Lauren Lies. It's so nice. So it's this book right here, you guys. I kid you not, this has been literally like our Bible, so to speak, like our Holy Grail book. We have just been like literally flipping page by page, and I'm not a huge, like, I love coffee table books for the aesthetic and the look of it, but I'm not a huge person to like literally sit there and flip through books and get like inspired. Like, I always want to do that, but nothing really like screamed to me to do that. Like the Joanna Gaines book, what is that one called, baby, remember?
I can't remember.
Something, a freak, it's gonna kill me if I don't.
Something life.
Homebody, you guys. It's good, but it's not like, I don't know, maybe I have to look through it again. But anyways, this one literally caught my attention. If you guys can see just like the way she styles everything, the pieces that she finds, she's very like vintagey. I think with the other book, you know what, I know what it is. With Joanna Gaines' book, there's different styles in it, which is great if you're trying to find like your personal home style. There's like variations, so you can kind of figure it out, like modern, farmhouse, a mix of the both, boho. She shows and displays that beautifully in her book. But we kind of have an idea on what we're going for at this point. So for the fact that it's pretty much spot on to a lot of the things that we like, this is a great book to check out, guys. So we found it at Target. Home Goods for $19.99. Amazing find, guys. So another piece that we found from the first decor place was this massive rock. It is so gorgeous, and I really want it to autofocus. Okay, guys, so this we found at the first place that we went to the other day. This was $50 for the size of this rock, you guys. Like, look how massive that is. Super happy about this find, and I do want to put it on a tray at some point. Maybe the wood one that was by the front door. That's probably where it's going to go. Underneath, on top of, I mean, right here. Just not too sure yet. And then we also found this cool guy. Different, and yeah, guys, it's solid, super solid. So I love that a lot, love it a lot. Got this idea from the Lauren Lies book as well, guys. So go outside, pick a branch, and fill up a jug. And then I spy with my little eye.
I'm watching you.
You were watching me. So another piece that we found was this stamper. This has the like original, I don't know if it's original, but
I think it's California seal.
The California seal.
California court seal or something.
So this has the California court seal on it, guys. Super cool, and it's awesome. Like, look how cool of a piece this is. Okay, guys, well, that concludes our vintage shop with us. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned for all this time. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know what items were your favorite, if you like any of our home decor pieces, if you have any favorite places that you like to shop online, even that has like vintage, like European stuff. Just in general, just let us know. And also, should we make a channel together, like a separate YouTube channel? That's kind of been on my radar as of lately, but let me know if you guys will actually watch it and subscribe. And we'll do like a lot of different videos together. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Help me finish. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Look who's walking on the white carpet. Oh my gosh, babe. That basket, though.
Lola.
Maybe it'll go here. I'm kind of thinking about it in this corner, but that's where Lola is drinking her water so loud. For Mexico, so I'm like, do you mind holding the camera for me real quick, babe? Whoops! If you guys don't see this man after today, it's because he walked on our white carpet. carpet
Oh, I would never.
with those shoes.